Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add PayPal to your Google Play. So first, what you're going to want to do is go over to Google Play. And once you're there, you're going to want to press the settings at the top right and press payments and subscriptions. From there, what you're going to want to do is press payment methods. And on screen now, it does say add PayPal right in your payment methods. Just right now, it's not going to pop up for me because I'm in a country that does not support it. But do not fear. If you're in the same position as me and it doesn't say add PayPal, what you can do then is at the bottom, you can press on more payment settings right there. And it'll take you to the Google Play website where you can see your Google Play balance. And you can also manually enter your PayPal for Google Play. So if this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you so much. See you in the next one.